Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app makes entering the parks quick and convenient by sorting your park tickets in one place. Once your tickets are linked and you have a valid park reservation, if required for your ticket of course, you can simply present your ticket barcode at the entrance for admission. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to enter the park using the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for first-time Disneyland visitors. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app like before arriving at the entrance, launch the Disneyland app, sign into your Disney account if needed, and make sure your tickets are linked to your account so you are now ready to access your admission. Then open My Tickets and Passes like inside the app, tap your profile or menu icon here, select My Tickets and Passes, okay. Locate the ticket you will be using. Your ticket barcode will be available for scanning. Okay, so verify your reservation before entering, confirm your visit date is correct, and verify you have a park reservation if your ticket requires one. And then make sure you are entering the correct park for your reservation, so you are ready to head to the entrance. Okay, so after that, scan your tickets at the entrance. Like when you reach the entrance, open your ticket barcode in the app, hold your phone under the scanner when instructed, and wait for the barcode to scan successfully, and you will be admitted once your ticket is validated. Okay, so after that, complete the entry process, like depending on your ticket and park procedures, like a cast member may verify your admission, follow any on-screen or cast member instructions, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.